Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device section. Now let's scroll down to find the version, localize the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial, which I've just recorded, where I'm telling much more about the developer options. Alright, so after activating, we have to go back to the general settings and then let's tap on additional settings. Here, let's scroll down to find the developer options, let's enter. And right now all we have to do is to scroll just a little bit to find the automatic system updates. All we have to do now is to tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, so your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have simply a chance to find the updates and download them and apply, of course. You can turn off this option the same way, just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.